Huh? What are you hitting me for? You got a smile, I know you are. You got a smile. You got a little smile on your face already.
Mm-hmm.
You got a smile already. Yeah, yeah. Oh, man. Hi, Papa. Hey, Papa. Hi, Papa. Hey, Big Papa. Hey, Big Papa. Hey, Big Papa. What? What are you doing to me? It's gonna make me drink a milkshake. You want that? No. Your hands don't reach that far. I know it. You're gonna hold my hands. Ah, my baby girlie. Oh, my baby girlie. Did you put that money in the bank for her?
Yes.
Oh, nice baby face you got. Nice baby face you got there, yeah. Ah! 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 Oh, what? Oh, wait, you say? What to say? You're too small to hold both hands only. You're too small. Did your husband get any more cleaning jobs yet?
Not yet.
He didn't do the office, did he?
No, not yet.
And that's hard, you know, it's hard to do, because Stanley had that for a while, at the clubs, doing all the clubs and casinos there, Hard Rock Hotel and all that. But you got to pay the help so much money, you know, unless you get them, and how much money you going to make, you know? You can't say $15 an hour, you know, for a house, do the right, you make no money.
Yeah.
They have to have insurance, well, you got insurance, but